Hi, welcome. Thanks for joining me. On this episode of Build Your Own, we're actually looking at the new Ford Sync 3. That's their all-in-one, all-inclusive infotainment system. Now, I just did a video on the Sync base, right? A lot of times you might get a car, people buy cars, and they might not get the upgraded Sync 3 for whatever reason. And so they might want to know a little bit more about the base sync system. So I did a video. I'm going to put a link up to that right here, and so you can check that out. And with that said, let's jump into this Sync 3. There's quite a bit of information to scroll down on this screen. So it says what? Smart hardware, smart software, smart design. I can tell right off the jump that it's a much bigger screen. You've got some quick access shortcut keys down here at the bottom. I mean, there's a lot more going on over the base model. So what does it say? Click your way around Sync 3. Simple music search, capacitive touchscreen. That means that when you press the button, that you get a little feedback on the button. That's what that means. The Cadillac Q system. I don't think the new one. I think they changed it now, but the original Cadillac Q system had that capacitive touch. They gave you the feedback as confirmation that you pressed the button. So it's got the capacitive touchscreen, enhanced voice recognition, climate control, and climate control. Keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Okay, so we can press some of these buttons to find out some more stuff. So let's do that. Let's start here. All right, so we'll do this drop down to get more details and see what they're talking about. So it's a simple music search. With Sync 3, you can listen to the song, artist, playlist, or album you want without identifying the category. Simply say play, song, artist, album, or genre. You can also easily switch between entertainment or media sources by simply saying the desired source. For example, while listening to SiriusXM, say 9:50 a.m. and Sync 3 can respond. If you are listening to the radio and want to hear music from your USB connected phone instead, simply say play, artist or song name, and Sync 3 can automatically switch to your music selection. That's pretty nice. That's quite nice, actually. Let's move on. Capacitive touchscreen. The capacitive touchscreen has impressive functionality such as the convenient swipe and available navigation pinch to zoom functionality similar to what is found on your smartphone. Sync 3 reacts quickly to your commands. From a light tap on the capacitive touchscreen to simple voice commands, Sync 3 delivers noticeable high-speed performance. I think they mention high speed because a lot of times these systems are a little bit laggy. They're a little laggy, right? They're lacking a little what CPU power or whatever they need to not be laggy. Let's go on to 3. Let's learn about enhanced voice recognition. With it, you can talk to Sync 3 with simple, real-world voice commands, and the system responds naturally to your voice. Controlling your phone and more is as easy as saying, "Call mom." I'd love to sample that real time. Actually, I'd really love to sample that real time. Climate control. Let's see here. If equipped, you can use your voice to set your favorite temperature or access the color touchscreen to adjust the temperature with large, easy to use touch buttons. The climate icon appears on some vehicles at the bottom of the Sync 3 home screen for quick, easy access. Very cool. All right, that was thorough. That was thorough, I thought. We can close out of that. Let's move on. Right, Ford plus Alexa, a match made in tech heaven. Introducing Ford plus Alexa, bringing the amazing capabilities of Amazon Alexa from your home to the road. By using the Ford Alexa app and connecting via Sync 3 AppLink, you'll have access to voice navigation, traffic information, over 30,000 skills, Amazon Prime shopping, and can even control your supported smart home devices. Stay connected no matter where you are. That is pretty tight. What does this fine print say? Requires available Sync 3 AppLink version 2.2 or higher. Don't drive while distracted or shopping while using handheld devices. Use voice controls. Certain Alexa functionality is dependent on smart home technology. Okay, cool. Good to know. I think that's pretty cool. And then tell us about this. Sync Connect powered by Ford Pass. With available Sync Connect equipped vehicle, With an available Sync Connect equipped vehicle, you can use FordPass to track your vehicle's location and remotely access vehicle features such as start, lock, and unlock, and vehicle status, including fuel level. You can also schedule specific times to remotely start your vehicle so it's ready to hit the road as soon as you are. Sync Connect includes a Wi-Fi hotspot and can connect up to 10 devices at once, so your passengers can stay connected wherever you roam. No pun intended. Roam, Wi-Fi, you get it? Okay, I hope so. Anyway, Ford Pass. Okay, so if you have Sync 3, you want Ford Pass with an available Sync 3 connected a vehicle. With an available sync connected equipped vehicle, you can use Ford Pass. So it's already in there. So it's already bundled into it. Okay, that's why I was rereading. All right, so that's what it looks like. Do we need to watch the commercial? What do you think? I don't know if you're saying yes or no. We're not going to watch the commercial. Okay, Sync Connect Wi-Fi hotspot. Let's hear. With available Sync Connect, Ford owners and passengers can enjoy an in-vehicle Wi-Fi hotspot. Select models feature 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot powered by AT&T. Up to 10. Okay, redundant stuff. Ford Pass. Blah 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 blah. You can access the hotspot up to 50 feet outside the vehicle. All right, so that was the only new information we picked up, basically. Easy destination entry. Tell us about it. With available navigation with Sirius XM traffic and travel links, Sync 3 features easy destination entry. It's easy to locate that hard-to-find Thai restaurant, the nearest ATM, or a highly rated coffee shop. Plus, responsive, adaptive search results are based upon your preferences. With Sync 3, you can easily get to your destination with audible turn-by-turn navigation, along with continuously updated directions, weather information, traffic delays, alternative route suggestions, and more. That was a mouthful, wasn't it? That was a mouthful. All right, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I like it. So they're basically saying, hey, even the hard to find places, this thing's so good it can find them. All right, I'd like to put that to the test, actually. Tell us about Sync AppLink allows you to voice control some of your favorite compatible mobile apps. Now, with available Sync 3, the experience is truly smart. So, what's the update? Not only can you launch and voice control your favorite mobile apps, but you can also access them by simply swiping through the compatible ones on the capacitive touchscreen. Okay, well, that's cool. I thought they were gonna building up to something humongous. I mean, that's cool. It's not that big of a deal though, but it's cool. Sync 3 plus Android Auto compatibility. All right. Sync 3 can bring the power of Android Auto to your Ford. You can talk to Google to interact with your smartphone while keeping your eyes on the road and hands on the wheel. Make calls, return missed calls, and listen to voicemail, as well as send, read, and reply to text messages and access your favorite music through your favorite apps. Google Maps provides voice-guided navigation, live traffic information, and estimated travel time (ETA). You can also connect to Google Now and Google Music. And then they got a series of videos here. See it for yourself. Watch the smart hardware, software, and design of Sync 3 in action. So, these videos, we don't know how long they're going to take, and I think they're kind of cool. But, we kind of read the information, and we kind of get how that stuff works, don't we? We kind of get how it works. So, let's see. Automatic updates over Wi-Fi. Now, that's cool. Keeping Sync 3 current with the latest software can happen automatically as new updates become available. All you need is a Wi-Fi connection. Now, I'm not sure, but I don't think a lot of other manufacturers are doing that. Now, I'm thinking about the BMWs I've had, and notably the 2015 X1 I had. Now, I don't think that one updated via Wi-Fi. Maybe the brand new BMWs do. I'm not sure. I haven't read that. I haven't caught that, so I'm going to say no. So I think that's pretty cool. I think that's pretty cool that it can do it over Wi-Fi. All right, so that was the end of that. There's nothing else down there. So that was the end. Pretty good information. I mean, it's a step up from the base. But if you ask me, the Sync 3 just brings the Ford infotainment system up to par with everybody else. honestly. I mean, it's nice that it has these features, but as I was reading this stuff, I look at a lot of cars. I look at a lot of cars, and everybody's pretty much got this stuff. So I think I read some time before that Ford was kind of back in as far as their technology stuff was concerned. So Sync 3 probably is the beginning of that step in the right direction, and so I think that's really cool. If Sync 3 is something that you can option your vehicle with, then it seems like it's probably a worthy upgrade because it's probably bundled in with other stuff too with the package. So pretty cool. If you found this video helpful, entertaining, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. If you found it helpful or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'd really, really appreciate it. That Sync 3 base video, I already put a link up. I'll put a link in the description. And check out some of my other car videos. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch the channel, watch the video. Have a great day.